I'm applying Gerard Cosmetics eyeshadow base all over my eyelid. I'm gonna use this tape. This is from Amazon, and I like to follow my lash line. For my palette, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose Palette. Don't remember when last time I used anything from Anastasia. First shade I'm gonna use is Honey, and I'm just gonna apply all over my crease. And I'm gonna blend a little bit higher as well. And I'm gonna go into the deep berry shade. I'm gonna use my crease piece brush. This is number 2. And now I'm gonna start creating my smoked out wing. And then with Sigma E25, I'm gonna blend a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back into deep berry and deepen up a little bit more. And I'm just gonna be going back and forth between the brushes until I get my desired depth. I'm gonna go into Claret, and I'm gonna just smoke out a little bit above. I'm gonna go into the Primrose, and I'm just gonna lightly dust my eyelid. I'm gonna go into the shade Peony, and I'm gonna apply a little bit almost in my inner corner, but I'm gonna leave my inner corner empty. And then I'm gonna go into shade Rose Water, and that's I'm gonna apply in my inner corner. With deep end, I'm gonna darken up my lash line. Now I'm going to remove my tapes. With Deep Berry, I'm going to darken up my lash line. And then with Claret, I'm going to smoke it out. And then I'm going to apply Peony. And I like this sparkly bottom lash line. I just applied this Kiss Lashes, and this is in the style Jubilee. And I put a little bit of mascara over it. And the eyes is done. Now let's do my face. I'm gonna be using my new favorite foundation, and this is Dior Face and Body. I'm not sure why only right now I discovered it. I've been using it for past couple days, and I have to tell you, I think this is definitely one of my new favorites. It looks like skin. It's such a beautiful coverage. It's very thin, and I mean, look. And your skin still looks very dewy. It has a nice smell. I don't mind the smell. But look how gorgeous this looks. And this is definitely buildable coverage. I'm just going in with the second layer. I tested out for a few days, and it lays and wears so gorgeous on my skin. I have dry, mature skin, and it doesn't feel dry in the end of the day. My skin still looks so beautiful and dewy. I'm literally obsessed. I mean, come on. My skin, it looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna use for my concealer the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat. And I'm gonna be using the Beauty For Real concealer brush. For my contour and my bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Shiglam, and this is in the shade Terracotta. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of the e.l.f. Halo Glow right above it and underneath here, and I'm gonna blend. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna tap just the edges. I just got this blush from Shiglam, and this is in the shade Petal Talk, and I'm so curious to see how it layers with my other shade. And I'm gonna apply a little dot, and then right next to it I'm gonna apply Love Cake. And now I'm gonna blend. Okay, this is gorgeous. My skin looks incredible. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Ciate. This is Bamboo Bronzer in the shade Palm Island. For my blush, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier, and this is in the shade Strawberry. For my highlight, I'm going with this pinky berry theme, so I'm going to be using the highlighter in the shade Cloud 9. And I'm going to apply this a little bit in my inner corner as well. I'm going to use my Givenchy Prisme Libre. This is the pink one. I'm going to apply a little bit under my eyes and anywhere else where I don't really want to be too shiny. And then I'm going to dust off the excess. I've been dying to try this color from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 120 Charged. And this is their Super Stay Vinyl ink. You have to make sure you shake them first. Whoa. This shade is insane. I'm gonna outline my lips with Colourpop on Ice lip pencil. And this is my finished look of my berry holiday makeup. I love this eyes, how it turned out. Obviously the lip you can substitute for something else, but I actually love the way that everything looks. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday season, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.